Hey guys, hello. If it's your first time here, thank you so much for tuning in, gorgeous. Oh, I'm here again with SHEIN. By the way, this video is sponsored by SHEIN. Yes, thank you so much SHEIN for sponsoring this video. As usual, we appreciate. So I have so many things here to share with you guys. I have beddings, I have how do they call them? I have dishes. There are many anyway. So in case you're interested in getting them on a cheaper rate, use this code right here to get some percentage off. Like I always say, SHEIN is popping, and these things are quality. You're going to see them. Let me stop ranting and let's just get into it, okay? So the first thing I'm going to show you guys here is there are many, so I cannot really rate them up. They are I don't know how, especially the dishes, they are so heavy, but let me just try to like carry some. You see, can you guys see all this? And there are some here too on the floor that I cannot carry up. Okay, I cannot, especially the dishes, I cannot raise them up. This one is a shelf cover, something like that. What's the name they call this thing? Well, is it one? I was thinking it's two. Oh, it's one. Anyway, okay, you can pick it like this. You see it? This is it. Put it on my chair. This is big. The texture is so good. I like it. I'm going to leave everything on the description box. The link to all these things will be on the description box. The discount code will be on the description box, so don't hesitate to use it to get some percentage off. All right, so yeah, I want to check the size of this. Okay, 50 by 50, that's what I took on this one. It's 50 by 50, so because they have so many sizes there. I think this one is a, what was this thing? Okay, let's open and see. A butter can. Let me open. It's a butter can. See it? It comes with spoon. You see this? This is so cute. You just put your butter in here, you put it inside fridge. Look at it. You see, you can remove this one from it. I see, it's so cute. I like the color. We love it. We love it. And this spoon. You see the spoon? It's so gorgeous. This thing I want to show you guys now. The one I have when I travel with baby, he broke the cover. So when I saw this, I said, why not? So when I want to travel, I can just put water for baby. Look at this. How cute. How cute is this? How cute is this? It's so cute. So cute. And I think you can you can open it like this. See, you just open it like this. You pour your water inside. You can even pour tea inside, whatever you want to pour inside. And to wash it, I think you can open this and wash it properly. Okay, put this inside, just lock it. I like the fact that it's not too big, something that you can just put in your bag. Okay, it's nothing serious. This is to blow balloons because my baby is coming up, so I need this to blow balloons. That's why I put this, to be very easy in case if I want to decorate alone. If I take an event planner, I will not use it, so I will just keep it in case I'm doing any simple thing with baby. I need this. And the other thing, they are gloves. I like gloves, wearing them. Things I cannot put inside the dishwasher, I wear gloves then to wash. I took 20 pieces and I took large, okay? The size that I took is big size. Some of their things are small, some are big, so I just decided to take large. And the next thing is these beddings. Let's bring it out. It's a bed sheet, okay? See it. Wow. Look at this. It has, this is so soft. I like when my beddings are soft, okay? When the fabric is so soft. It came with two pillowcase. Wow, I love it. I took 264, 269. I don't know how I can define that for you guys, and I hope this will cover. You know, is that a duvet cover? It's not bed sheet. The design is so beautiful. You see the design? It's lovely. I really like the design. You can see it. The other thing I want to share with you guys are teacups, okay? Hey, I like a gorgeous teacup. A gorgeous teacup, I love it. When the teacup is gorgeous, it makes me to drink tea all the time. But these ones are coffee cup anyway. They are not teacup, they are coffee cup. If you drink coffee all the time, you're going to like this. And they have that of 6, they have that of 12, I think so, and 4. And I just decided like, I have so many teacup, coffee cups, coffee mug. That's how they call it. I have so many coffee mugs. I said no. See the packaging, well protected. Okay, it was inside this carton. Came inside this carton, and the cover is with this. You see, so protected. It came with a plate. Let me show you. It has 4 inside, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's like this. I don't want this to break. See the design. This is so cute. Okay, anyway, no problem. I've broken that. See this. See the detail. See the detail. It's so cute. With this here, gold detail is everything. I was like, let me take that of 4, and I'm regretting right now why I took only that. Why I took only 4. Anyway, that is that. The other thing is a vase. A vase. This vase, I think in my last video of a home haul, something like that from SHEIN, my home haul from SHEIN, I reviewed this same vase. I told you guys that it was small, so this time I went for a bigger one, okay, because where I want to put it on, I felt that it's too small, so I took the same vase. Let me bring it out so you guys to see, but on a bigger size. That's the biggest size they have there, because they have extra large, they have large, and they have small. The last time I took large, I was thinking the large would be okay. Was it medium I took? I can't remember whether the largest there is medium or is. Let me see, because I knew that I took the largest one, the biggest one they have there. I'm going to tell you guys right away. So this time around I took extra large. The last time I think I took large, so I went for extra large. The extra large is the biggest one they have there. It's the biggest size they have there. I said, why not take this one? So let me bring it out. Okay. Yeah. Oh, fun. Hey. Yeah, this is the size I want. See it. Yeah. You guys remember this. And please, if you haven't subscribed, it's your first time here, you find here beautiful for you to stay gorgeous. Why not just hit on that subscribe button and that bell icon? Thank you so much for doing that. Yeah, you can use this code right here to get some percentage off. So guys, the dishes, this is the first carton. We have 2 cartons in. This one is heavy. Okay. See the 2. I think how many inside. I'm going to look to tell you guys how many inside. The dishes, they are so heavy. See the way I'm breathing. Okay, we have how many inside? It's not written. Okay, I'm going to open and show you guys. Guys, look at what they did. It was inside this carton again. How many cartons? I cannot even count the number of cartons they put this. Okay, 1, 2, 3. It was 3 cartons, then seal it like this again. Tell me how this will break. I was even afraid that this one is going to break, because the day I received this thing, the way the guy handled it, I was like, this thing is going to break, but no. This is so cute. It's black and white. And it's so heavy. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. Let me bring them out first. Let me just bring them out. Wow. Oh my gosh. This is so beautiful. It's so beautiful. I think it's 4-4. Yes, it's 4-4. Everything is 4. I think that they have this deep one 4. They have the other wide ones 4. I think it's like that. Okay guys, this is it. I tell you guys, to bring these things out was not easy at all. I struggled to bring them out. Okay, we have this size. You can see, let me come on so that you guys can see it very well. You can see it. You see how it is, how deep it is. See the under. So we have this size, and we have this other size. This had a we have this other size. You can see the quality of this. Wow, you can see it. So lovely, so lovely. I like the design, black and white. And this is the biggest size. See the biggest size. And the same thing, so beautiful. So we have 4 of these, 4 of these one, and 4 of these one. Okay, like this. Yeah. So that is it. It's so lovely. I love them. Because I love eating in a good bowl, in a good beautiful dishes, okay? Because when you're eating in a good, nice, beautiful dishes, the food well presented, even if you're not hungry, you will want to eat. You will want to eat. So I love me some beautiful dishes, okay? So gorgeous, that is it. Like I said, I'm going to put the link of each of the items on the description box, and their link on the description box, and also the discount code on description box, and maybe I'll be able to put the stores too also on the description box, so that you can go and grab them in case if you're interested, because they are so beautiful, they have quality. You guys know I always go for anything quality on SHEIN. And alright guys, that is it. I will see you guys in my next one for sure, revealing SHEIN item. We are in for that. Okay guys, I will see you guys in my next. Ciao, bye. Just wanna feel your touch.